Yes, you can do it. No, you gotta like pull it from your throat. You gotta go.
Oh, I did it. Wait.
I remember when.
That was a horrible one.
Hold on.
Oh,
I can't do it.
no, like this. You gotta. You just gotta like.
So
you gotta like. You breathe in from the bottom. Go like.
Do it. Do it. Go. Go like this. Go.
Do it.
I've never been able to burp in
Yo.
my life.
Like the very back of your
Like
throat.
right
I
here.
can't do
Yo.
it.
Take a big like bottom breath.
You guys are all going
It's
like
right
that.
here. That's where you feel it.
Yeah, you.
Go. Just like. You don't want to go. You want to like suck down and go.
There's nothing there.
Go.
Baby one.
That's what I
You're like,
want.
See, once you get baby ones, if you can learn how to get it, the air in your throat, then you can do it.
I can't.
Go.
There's like little ones that you can't even hear them. What the fuck, dudes?
This is the session on teaching Nicole how to burp.
That's what I want.
I hate this song.
You can't do it.
How do you guys do this?
You go. You don't breathe in like.
You don't. You suck. Go.